Okay, people, this is now the Block A Hotel of Mount Plaisir Estate Hotels and Restaurant right here in Grande Riviera. This hotel was almost 99% completed and ready to be occupied probably before the end of this year. Please come and visit Mount Plaisir Estate and Restaurant and experience the turtle watching from the month of March to the month of August. Where the hotel was located in front of Caribbean Bay. The hotel has also a kitchen which is equipped with high-tech utensils and also to be ready before the end of this year. Come and visit this place for your lifetime experience. Thank you. This is the kitchen with high-tech kitchen utensils and with stainless lavatory with newly painted walls. This is now almost finished and it will be ready this 2023 before the end of December. All wooden materials are hardwood and imported from other Caribbean countries. Work is ongoing and almost 90% completed, but there is some minor rectification based from the design. Now this is also the storeroom where the stocks will be piled, and also the refrigeration room with walls newly painted. This room is prepared before the end of this year 2023. This is also the stock room from the newly arrival foods and preparation for the hotel opening this year 2023. Work is ongoing. Doors installation is ongoing. Air condition was already installed, and also this one is the septic tank constructed by different workers employed by the contractor. This is also the bar which was prepared prior to the opening of this hotel this year 2023. This one is the hotel room for the customers who are
Disrespectful.
ready to occupy this room
You know?
and watch the turtle watching from March to August every year. Painting work is ongoing. Windows and doors installation is ongoing. And almost 80% completed. This hotel room is located at the back of Block A. This room is also a conference room under construction, and it was made up of hardwood imported from other Caribbean countries. This is an old conference room and shall be renovated and composed of hardwood materials, since the hotel was located 75 meters approximate from the shoreline of Caribbean Bay. Work is also ongoing, and the duration of this construction is around 1 month. The client are in a hurry to complete this hotel prior to the opening this year, December 2023. This is also the pathway heading to Block A on the left side, where the work is ongoing. The materials made up of this pathway is stone tiles imported from other country and constructed by the local right here in Grande Riviere. As you can see, the Caribbean Bay is opposite to this hotel. This pathway will be completed around 5 days, and other pathways shall be also constructed prior to the opening of this hotel. Stone tiles has been started to install, and also ongoing. This area is the reception area opposite of conference room. Work is also ongoing at this area. With workers employed by the contractor from this area. As you can see, most of materials are hardwood except the walls that made up of 6-inch concrete blocks. Plastering works of the washroom located at conference room was already started, while roofing installation is ongoing. This area is the reception area where the ceiling works was already started and ongoing. Electrical works is also ongoing and shall be completed within a week. Conference room and reception room are opposite to each other, where the works are progressing. Ceiling works is executed by a Filipino workers knowledgeable about ceiling board installation. The foreman of this construction work is also a Filipino. Cable works at the panel board was already started and executed by a local or other
kulang sa screw up
contractor.
Ang binili niya kunti lang.
This whole area is the conference room or either reception room. It was not yet decided by the client what will be the name of this area, but probably as the construction manager of this project, this is a reception room where the stock room located opposite of the kitchen stock room. Ceiling work at this area is also ongoing. But slowly progressing because of the materials came from the city. Plastering works at the bar area is slowly progressing, while electrical works above the kitchen inside the bedroom is also progressing. Fencing are made up of hardwood materials imported from other Caribbean countries. Laundry room or construction of laundry house was already started located at this area opposite of Block D Hotel. Mixed workers from different race were allocated at this area, while construction of ATU at the left side of Block D Hotel started with steel reinforcement was ongoing. There are 5 septic tanks constructed at this hotel. 1 ATU, with a length of 11 meters and 2.5 meters wide. Construction of BTU is ongoing with manual mixing of concrete, since the concrete truck cannot penetrate inside and prohibited by the client. Dito sa area na ito, pinukonstruct yung ATU, Aerobic Treatment Unit, kung saan yung mga septic tank na waste pumupunta dyan at saka i-recycle. Yan ang manual concrete mixing. Mga iba-ibang lahi yan. May Venezuelan, Colombian, Jamaican at Trinidad yan. Pero walang Pilipino dyan na labor. Yung mga Pilipino dito, mga skilled. Alam naman natin yung quality ng trabaho natin. At saka yung foreman dito ay Pilipino. Pero working foreman yan, masipag at saka eksperyensyado. Yan yung extension ng EDU. At ito naman yung laundry area. Inumpisa na. At ako ang nag-design yan. At of course, kasama ko yung kaibigan ko na engineer na contractor. At yung trabahante ng kliyente at nagsusupervise lang kami at saka nag-oversee ng trabaho na dapat gawin. Sa ngayon, on process na tayo sa pag-install ng gypsum ceiling. But bago natin gagawin yan, ay papalinis muna natin yung old existing hardwood with combination of new hardwood. Itong mga hardwood na ito ay galing pa sa ibang bansa at imported from Guyana. Hindi basta-basta ito malinis ng madali dahil i-grind natin ito. At saka pag sinabing hardwood, talagang mahirap na kunti, pero gagawin natin yun dahil ang gusto ng kliyente, pulido ang trabaho. Itong gumagawa ng paglilinis ay local na Trinidadian at ang gagawa ng gypsum ceiling ay ang Pilipino. Of course, natiwala tayo sa ating quality dahil pulido ito. Simple lang ang pag-deliver ng trabaho, malinis at when it comes to quality, tayong Pilipino ay may pangalan na. At importante matapos itong paglilinis.